What's up, guys? Toasting in for Fishyaker. Welcome back to the balmy 15 degrees in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. We're looking for something to do. It was super cold outside, so we decided to go and check out the Early Bird Sports Expo at the Bloomsburg Fairgrounds. Really cold outside, so not much else to do. It was pretty crowded today. Spent some time hanging out with some old friends and seeing if there was anything new going on. So enjoy the little short video, and if you can't make it this year, this is what you're missing.